us to a little haul. So we all know that the candles from TK Maxx are literally like God's gift on earth. They're the best thing ever. But surprisingly, they had very little choice this time. But I actually did manage to find some, which I personally think are absolute gems. Again, you guys can't smell this through the video, but you're just gonna have to take my word for it. So the first candle that I got is this one, which is called Christmas Tree, which I know is a tiny bit premature, but I'm probably not gonna like this until actual like December, or maybe a tiny bit before December, let's be honest. Maybe next week, we'll see. But this literally just smells of Christmas. This one was $7.99. Then the next candle I got, a bit of a chunky boy, and it's silver. I don't generally go for silver. I'm normally either a green, white, or gold type of gal, but this one just smelled so good, I couldn't resist it. It doesn't smell all that strong, but I feel like it will be a really nice one to just light when like there's people over. This one cost $16.99. Then this one is my absolute favorite. This one. This was $9.99. It's Sand and Fog. It literally just smells like festive. I'm getting so ahead of myself. It's literally November, like calm down, Flo. And then the last candle I actually didn't get from TK Maxx. I actually got this from M&S. I just popped into M&S to do a bit of a food shop, and they actually have a lot of home stuff. So this one was £17, which is more expensive than this one, even though it's smaller, and I personally don't think it's all that special. But then again, TK Maxx compared to M&S. But this is in the scent, I was about to say in the shade, in the scent Tranquil. This is probably gonna go in a bathroom. It just smells like super nice and clean and fresh. There's nothing super special about it, but it's just a candle. Bit pricey at 17 quid, but oops. So then the last two things that I got from TK Maxx were, of course, what would this video be without some fluffy socks? Do you guys know that song that's like, a white woman's Instagram? I literally feel like that right now. The very last thing that I got from TK Maxx, I actually got on a bit of a whim because it was right by the checkout. But I got myself a new hot water bottle because I don't actually know where my hot water bottle has gone. I am such a sucker for fluffy water bottles. Oh, and it's so soft. So that is everything that I got this afternoon. I am probably gonna go and quickly make myself some dinner, and then we're gonna do a little bit of baking. I got some ingredients to make some really, really cute autumnal, like dessert type things. So we're gonna give that a go. We all know that I am a disaster in the kitchen. Honestly, if we get something even half edible out of this, then I will be proud of myself. But we're gonna give it a go. Do you guys hear that? That's a rain. Crikey. Let's do this. Right, 1 cup of water. Saucepan. Combine the water, butter, that's a weird mix, 8 tablespoons. Who measures butter in tablespoons? This feels so wrong. 8. This feels wrong already. For some reason I get the idea that these are going to be a lot harder to make than they sound. Bring pot to rolling boil. No idea what that means. I'm sorry, what is that? Have I gone wrong already? Water, butter, salt. That's such a bizarre. Anyway. Hey Google, what's 136 plus 34?
The answer is 170.
Hell yeah.
Now, so Google can improve. Let me make sure I heard you correctly. I think
No.
you said plus 34.
Hey Google. No. Does anyone else feel like an absolute bully whenever they're just like blunt with Google or Siri? I'm literally just like... It is 159. Oh! Blimey. Oh shit. No way. Now that I was not expecting to work. Damn. Hey Google, start a timer for 6 minutes, please. Now this is a realistic evening routine. Hey Google, stop the timer. Alright, let's do this. Would you eat that? I feel like I need to be doing it. No, I cannot do this with my hands. Oh god. Saucepan. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Oh, she did it. Oh, it's warm. It actually feels disturbingly kind of nice. This is genuinely kind of scary. Ooh. Okay, I think it's too hot. Holy shizzle. Why do they have these air bubbles? Very interesting. The kitchen is a mess, but I don't think those look too bad. The real question is, how do they taste? Those are definitely undercooked. All of these are undercooked. Damn it. Right, take 2. I won't lie, these look less appealing than the first ones, but I really hope they're gonna be better. They're okay. They don't have very much flavor. And given how many calories probably a single one of these contains, personally, do I think it's worth it? Not really. Now I have to tidy up this shit. Hey Google, play Taylor Swift All Too Well 10-minute long version. I like melted the spoon thing. Whoops. You guys know that it wouldn't be a self-care evening without skincare. And I actually have a literal whole drawer of face masks, hand masks, the works. I think I'm gonna use this. This is the Sephora Mango hand mask. Also, can we talk about that? Sephora's gonna be in the UK. They took their time, didn't they? So I also have a foot mask. Coconut foot masks from Sephora. Now we need a face mask. Let's use the MZ Skin Hydra Lift Gold face mask. Right guys, I got this hot chocolate mix in a PR package literally weeks ago. But look how cute this is. It's got like little marshmallows in it. It's got the mix. I figure this is a good time to have it. Right. Oh. Oh, it smells great. Oh yeah. Okay, now I need to find something to watch. It's kind of bad that my go-to Netflix show for a chill night in is Making a Murderer. That's a wee bit concerning. Wait, never mind. There's a new Unsolved Mysteries episode. You know, I actually don't really like foot masks. These are so cute. They're little booties. I feel like this is properly getting me in the Christmas spirit. No, you are not getting my foot content for free, you creeps. This is actually so unpleasant. People actually enjoy this. Right, face mask. That's the sound of me moving my feet. Oh, that just drips everywhere. I feel like this video isn't very relaxing. Oh, that's cold. And finally, the hand masks. These look like marigolds. Let's watch 10 minutes of true crime with a face mask on that I have just broken and just vibe. Right lads, I can't lie to you. It's 10 to 11, which is honestly so early for me, but I'm knackered. I think just the last like 2-3 weeks have just been a lot. Like I think with Halloween and everything, there's just been so much going on. Like there's been events and parties and content to be filmed, and although I love all of that, like literally love it, it's just been very full on. I just feel like I needed this. So I'm probably gonna have a bit of an early night tonight, but I wanted to talk to you really briefly about something which, to be honest, I'm probably not going to talk a great deal about on any other platforms, just because I feel like on this platform, like, you guys get me. Like, I feel like anyone who watches this channel, lots of you guys are in the Discord. Like, I feel like I'm kind of doing like a Twitch stream on this channel. Like, it's just fun. As you guys may have noticed, I've been struggling with psoriasis. Psoriasis is a skincare, I always say this, skin condition. I'm so used to saying skincare, skin condition. So I have a type of psoriasis called guttate psoriasis, and I got this from tonsillitis. And funnily enough, it's actually nothing to do with my skin. It's basically caused by my immune system basically attacking my skin and producing too many skin cells. And you guys might have noticed that it's become a bit visible in my content, like in TikTok videos and on TikTok lives. But I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a heads up, because it's one of those things that, in all honesty, there's nothing I can do about. It's not contagious, it's not harmful in any way apart from being like an aesthetic thing. So yeah, that's what's going on with my skin at the minute. Obviously it's a bit of a slightly touchy subject, because obviously doing what I do, like being on camera so much. It's difficult, you know, having something like that. But in all honesty, I'm just telling myself that there's nothing I can do about it. So I may as well just get on with stuff. So also, one more thing. I have started a new channel. I think I mentioned it in my previous video on this YouTube channel, but I've started a channel where I'm basically uploading a bunch of like street style content, a bit like if you follow me, I can't get words out, a bit like if you follow me on TikTok, my makeup gifting series. It's kind of stuff along the lines of that, but obviously longer form and not just like makeup focused. So I will leave a link in the description for that if you want to go and check that out, because that is honestly where I'm putting a lot of time, honestly money as well, energy, effort, like lots of my focus is going onto that channel. So if you want to see more content from me, I will be doing alternate uploads between this channel and that channel every Friday, so check it out if you would like to. And on that note, I'm gonna go and get ready for bed. It's been really fun chilling with you guys today. I feel like I definitely need to do this more often, but I hope you enjoyed the video, as chaotic as it was. And yeah, I will see you week after next, or next week if you go check out my new channel. I will see you guys soon. Bye.